They're hard at work, in dangerous places, and it's your job to help protect them from slips and falls that could change their lives and your company's future forever. The right fall protection equipment can help, but it has to be used correctly. That's why Honeywell designed the Miller AirCore harness, innovative fall protection designed to deliver comfort in the air. With a breakthrough design that uses breathable open-core padding technology, air circulates freely through and around the pads, reducing heat and moisture buildup so workers stay cooler and drier. Padding is applied strategically, reducing surface area by up to 16%. Contouring prevents chafing and irritation, and our patented Duraflex stretchable webbing provides greater mobility and flexibility. Unless a harness is easy to adjust, it probably won't be used properly. To address that concern, we put cam buckles on the shoulder straps. Now workers can make quick, precise adjustments with one hand. The chest buckle is convenient too. It features a quick connect, quick release design that lets workers get into and out of the harness in seconds. Weight is always top of mind. We used a unique mix of materials and components and created a harness that's up to 20% lighter than similar competitive models. The Miller AirCore harness is light enough to reduce worker fatigue and increase productivity. Style matters. Workers tell us they like the way the Miller AirCore harness looks and feels. And safety managers appreciate the high-vis color scheme. One glance and you'll know if harnesses are being worn, whether your team is working close by or across the site. The Miller AirCore harness incorporates many other great features. A stand-up back D-ring, a mesh back shield, the removable belt, and clip-on finials. It's the most unique and innovative harness on the market. Your team will be more apt to wear it properly and work safely and productively. When your team is working at heights, give them comfort in the air. Give them the Miller AirCore harness. Another innovation from Honeywell Safety Products, helping you lead your team to safety.